Roberts is here. Sam, is it 1 or 2 days that we're looking at right now?
So it's like Wednesday night into Thursday.
Okay.
So it's this time period where we're expecting some freezing rain. Could have some problems out there on the roadways late Wednesday night through early Thursday. This is going to be a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. It arrives Wednesday night, but in the afternoon we could actually see a little low impact snow. All of this changes to rain by sunrise on Thursday. So the wintry mix doesn't stick around forever. Our main concern obviously is a little glaze of ice, especially on untreated surfaces as we get into early Thursday morning. So it could be pretty slick out there. You may have heard Jason talking about this if you were watching at 5 or 6. We're not expecting widespread power outages. Not going to see that much ice, at least at this time, but we'll let you know if we have to make any adjustments. Today, not icy at all. It was like beautiful outside, a little cloudy, but we made it to 53 today. Currently 48 in Cleveland. Look at this, New Philly still in the 50s, but Sandusky starting to cool off, mid-30s there. And that colder air is going to be moving in over the next several hours into tomorrow. So you'll notice Cleveland still in the 40s, but Chicago mid-30s, Minneapolis in the 20s, and that is why we're going to be 20 degrees colder during the day tomorrow. Temperatures tonight should cool into the mid-30s by midnight. I'm going to keep a chance in for a stray shower overnight, maybe a flurry or two, but I'm not expecting any widespread precip really until we get into Wednesday night and Thursday. We're going to walk you through that system hour by hour coming up in my first alert forecast.
Samantha Roberts. Sam, tell us more about this day, what we're going to experience.
So Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to have to talk about a little freezing rain, which is not something we've seen a ton of this winter. We really haven't had to talk about, actual freezing rain. There's just been a lot of ice on the ground where it was so cold. But now Wednesday night into Thursday, this is the time period to watch. And we issue alert days when we feel the weather will have a significant impact on your plans, might even slow you down on the roadways. So we'll have a chance during the afternoon for a few snow showers. That's low impact stuff. Again, we're much more concerned about this wintry mix coming in Wednesday evening. Some snow, some sleet, some freezing rain out there, and a glaze of ice less than a quarter inch is possible. Slick spots overnight Wednesday into very early Thursday. And then watch what happens as we get closer to sunset. We transition to all rain. So this is not really even going to last through the morning commute, although I do anticipate still a few slick spots out there in the morning. Gloomy, soggy day on Thursday. Temperatures only in the low 40s, which is actually above average for this time of the year. But, when it's raining and in the low 40s, that's not a very nice forecast, obviously. Today, we made it to 53. It was so mild out there this afternoon, but tonight, colder air is moving in. Now, over the next few hours, I can't rule out a few isolated showers or even a little patchy freezing drizzle. I do not think that will be a major issue for us, but I can't rule out some slick spots early in the morning. We're going to be down in the upper 20s, so untreated surfaces, things like your driveway, bridges and overpasses, your sidewalk, or maybe even your porch. You want to be careful out there in the morning. I don't think that'll be a widespread issue. Look, we don't warm up at all. We get up to 32, few flurries out there. This time of the year can be so cruel. Like one day it's 53 and the next day it's 32. So we have to find these bright spots where we can. I'm going to say, even though it's cold, Friday is